severe thunderstorm warning for Hardin County in northwestern South Dakota until 7:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 6:39 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 16 miles northwest of LADNER to 9 miles south of
Up here,
CROOK
folks.
and moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Buffalo, LADNER, LUDLOW, and REVA. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging winds, and continuous clouds to ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning goes. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties: Hardin, South Dakota. The National Weather Service in Rapid City